Welcome to Blue Lake Apartments, Seattle, where your student lifestyle meets calm, convenience, and campus-friendly comfort. It's everything you need, minus the drama. Pick from spacious 2 or 3 bedroom, 1 bathroom setups, with some units equipped with everyday essentials. A heater to fight those Seattle chills, wardrobe space that won't judge your fashion choices, plus a stove, oven, microwave, refrigerator, and even a bathtub for your much-needed soak days. But there's more than what's inside. Enjoy on-site laundry, dedicated parking, easy public transport, and a secure, controlled access building. All just a short walk to campus, because 8 a.m. classes aren't getting any later. Located at 4244 8th Avenue Northeast, you're steps from the University of Washington and just a quick commute to Seattle Pacific University. Craving something local? Fuel up at Portage Bay Café, grab dumplings at Zone, or chill with friends at Angkor Wok, all under 10 minutes away. Nearby bus stops like University Way Northeast and Northeast 41st Street keep you connected without the hassle. Or choose to travel by the SVF train station, hassle-free. Ready for student living without the stress? Lock in your spot today at amberstudent.com.